Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make real Caesar dressing. First, you'll need to gather your fresh ingredients to ensure the best possible flavor and texture. This includes fresh garlic, anchovy fillets or paste, a large egg yolk, and a fresh lemon. Using a good quality extra virgin olive oil is crucial for that signature rich and smooth consistency. Remember to have all your ingredients at room temperature. This helps immensely with the emulsification process. To begin, finely mince 2 cloves of garlic and 2 anchovy fillets, or use 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, creating a smooth paste. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolk, your garlic anchovy paste, and 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard until well combined. The key to a perfect Caesar dressing is the slow addition of oil. Gradually drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, a few drops at a time initially, while continuously whisking vigorously to form a stable emulsion. Once your emulsion is thick and creamy, it's time to add the finishing touches. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir to combine everything thoroughly. Always taste your dressing at this stage and adjust the seasoning, adding more salt or pepper to suit your preference for a perfectly balanced flavor. For best results, store your homemade Caesar dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 3 to 5 days. This dressing is fantastic not just on classic Caesar salads, but also as a dip for vegetables or a spread for sandwiches. Remember, fresh ingredients make all the difference. Also, for some great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.